What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to moderate your subreddit from the Reddit mobile app. Now, this is pretty simple, but Reddit still makes it pretty confusing for you to get to, and there's also a lot of features that aren't on there. So once you're in the app, you're going to go over to the search tab, and there should be a little green shield that you see with the moderator next to it, and then the same shield, this time gray, in the upper right-hand corner. And then from here, you could go to mod queue. My subreddit doesn't have any posts on it. I really just created it, so you're not going to see anything in here now. But this is where you're going to see your reports and anything that your auto moderator picks up. This is just where you're going to see everything that you need to moderate for your subreddit. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks. And if you had any questions, please let me know and I'll be sure to answer them.